The mvjoin command is a powerful Splunk SPL function that allows you to combine multi-value field items into a single string. When you have a field containing multiple values stored as an array or list, mvjoin transforms these separate values into one consolidated string. The command provides flexibility by allowing you to specify custom delimiters to separate the joined values. This is particularly useful when you need to present multi-value data in a more readable format, or when preparing data for further processing that requires single-string values instead of arrays. The basic syntax for the mvjoin command is straightforward. You start with the pipe symbol, followed by mvjoin, and then specify the field name that contains the multi-value data you want to join. The pipe symbol indicates this is a search processing language command that will be applied to your search results. The field name parameter tells Splunk which specific field in your data contains the multiple values that need to be combined. When no additional parameters are specified, mvjoin uses its default behavior to concatenate all values in the specified field. The mvjoin command becomes more powerful when you specify custom delimiters. The syntax extends to include the delim parameter followed by an equals sign and your chosen separator enclosed in quotes. You can use any string as a delimiter, including single characters like pipe symbols or semicolons, or even multi-character strings like space pipe space for better readability. Common delimiter choices include pipes for structured data separation, semicolons for formal lists, or spaces for natural language formatting. The flexibility in delimiter choice allows you to format your joined data according to your specific requirements. Here is a practical example of mvjoin in action. Consider a field called tags that contains multiple values stored as an array with elements error, critical, and system. When you apply the mvjoin command to the tags field, it transforms this multi-value array into a single string. The result shows tags equals error, critical, system. Notice how the default delimiter separates each original value in the final string. The transformation is complete and irreversible within that search context, converting the structured array format into a flat string representation. This example demonstrates the power of custom delimiters with the mvjoin command. Starting with the users field containing the array admin, guest, and operator, applying mvjoin users del, im equals space pipe space creates a much more readable result. The output becomes users equals admin space pipe space guest space pipe space operator. The custom delimiter creates clear visual separation between values while maintaining readability. This approach is particularly effective when you need to present joined data in reports or dashboards where visual clarity is important for end users. Understanding key aspects of mvjoin ensures effective implementation. The default delimiter is always a comma when no delim parameter is specified, making it the most common separator in joined results. Importantly, mvjoin only works on multi-value fields and converts them into single-string values. Once applied, the field becomes a regular single-value field containing the concatenated string. This transformation is permanent for the current search context, so plan your data processing pipeline accordingly. The command is essential when you need to flatten multi-value data for reporting, exporting, or further string manipulation operations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.